Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. Open your PowerPoint file and confirm the slide order so the loop looks seamless when it restarts. Once open, remove any unwanted notes or hidden slides and add a final transition slide if you need a pause between loops. Now click the Slideshow tab, then choose Setup Slideshow. This brings up the options that control looping behavior. Doing this now ensures you won't miss the specific checkbox that makes the deck repeat automatically during playback. Once in Setup Slideshow, check Loop continuously until ESC so the show restarts automatically. This is what makes a kiosk-style loop. Next, decide how slides advance. Pick Use Timings, if present for automated flow, or choose manually if you want control during presentation. If you need precise pacing, use Rehearse Timings to record exact durations or set each slide's advanced slide time in transitions. Make sure transitions and animations have appropriate durations, so start the slideshow with F5 or from beginning to confirm the loop behaves as expected. Watch for timing, animations, and embedded media playback. If a video or audio stops the loop, select the media and set playback options to loop until stopped or play across slides so it doesn't interrupt the cycle. If the deck still won't repeat, make sure no slides are hidden, transitions aren't set to on mouse click only, and that loop continuously until ESC remains checked in Setup Slideshow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.